Huh?
Navarre.
Let me tell you that. I saw another spaceship too. When I was 14 years old, hovering over top of Ken Massey's house where I lived at on Woodlawn Drive, suddenly a giant circular object, UFO, hovered over top of that, and basically didn't move. It just sat there, and it had a white fluorescence underneath, and there was an airplane that came from the west to east, and before it got to that UFO, suddenly my mind goes blank, and I have no idea what happened. I just remember right before it got there, I have no idea what happened after that. And the next thing I knew, it was about in the morning. I have no idea, and I thought about getting regression to see if something happened that I can't explain. I can't explain the fact that the last thing I remember seeing is the UFO just sitting there and an airplane flying towards it. And I have no idea what happened after that. So I wanted to get regression to see if something happened that I can't remember. And I want to know what actually happened. But I do remember seeing it. So I saw that one. I saw the rectangular UFO later when I was older. So I know beyond a shadow of a doubt that there are aliens that are out there. And whether they're good-natured and kind towards the human race, or whether they're here to replace the human race, I have no idea. All I know is that they are here. And whether people believe it or not, then I can't make people believe it. But I know what I saw, and I know what actually happened. So if people think that extraterrestrials are a myth, then they've just never seen any. But I can guarantee you they're not a myth. And what they are, who they are, is up to when they reveal themselves. Because I know a lot of people seen UFOs. I know a lot of people seen spaceships. But I don't know if anyone has actually seen an alien who can actually prove that was an alien. But I know this much. That particular spaceship I saw when I was young was real, and the one I saw when I was older was just as real. And which means that there's a superior race of being that is hovering over this planet and observing us. So we got to recognize that and try our level best to try to get along so we will not be eradicated and be destroyed. Because if we don't get along, I can guarantee you we will be replaced. And that's a fact. That's all I got to say about that. I do know, according to scriptures, that in one day, everyone on earth is going to die. One specific day. Is that going to be a pole shift that people are talking about? Are they talking about this thing called Planet X? I saw a satellite from a green satellite off into the horizon. And my wife did too, and she can elaborate to that. And it's there. It's positively there. And if in fact this Planet X is the so-called Anunnaki, those from heaven to come to earth, basically, maybe that's what that spaceship, who that spaceship belongs to. And maybe not, I don't know. I just do know that these beings called the Anunnaki